everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be doing a first impressions and review on the designer collection eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, which is Disney. It's a Disney eyeshadow palette and I'm obsessed with Disney princesses, so I had to film this, and my boyfriend actually surprised me with this palette, so I had to do a video with it. And I mean, this is a sneak peek, I guess, but you'll just have to stay tuned and let's get into the video. Okay, so here is the ColourPop box right here. I love their little ones because they're always different and it's just like the cutest thing ever. I also love cactuses, and their little message had a cactus on it, so I thought that was really cute. So my boyfriend surprised me with two of their new palettes. The first one is, I think it's the Mean Girls inspired palette, and it's called Ooh La La. So this is what this one looks like here. So let me know in the comments if you want to see a tutorial using this one. I think this is stunning. Then on to the star of today's show. We have the designer collection Disney palette. So this is what the packaging looks like here, and then this is the palette. I think the packaging is literally stunning, so stunning. So it has not all of them, some of the Disney princesses on the front, and then when you open it up, it's actually got their signatures. I don't know what type of signatures, but it's got signatures on the lid in gold foil, which is just so cute. But yeah, I really like the packaging. It's very like magical, very Disney, and the names of these are like super cute. So there's like Grumpy, Fairy Godmother, One Kiss, Thingamabob, Midnight Curfew, Big Boat driving past. Okay, I lost my train of thought because my dogs decided to bark at another dog that walks past every day. Surprise, surprise. But I really love like the names of them. I think they're just super cute, and obviously very on theme. And I am obsessed, and I mean obsessed, with the Little Mermaid. Like, I can't even tell you how madly obsessed I was with it. So I'm just like, I love this palette because it has her in it, and I think it's really cute of my boyfriend to get it for me. But I'm gonna stop rambling. And yeah, let's start this tutorial. So I have already, as you can tell, done all of my makeup. I want this to be like a softer-ish look. So I'm going to be taking Triton. Oh my god, that is pigmented. Holy crap. I'm just going to be blending that through my crease as a transition shade. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for. Maybe something a little fun. I'm also just going to take some underneath my lower lash line. The only thing I will say about this palette is they don't have a lot in the way of the matte shades. They go very quickly into all the shimmers, which obviously is not a bad thing. There are a lot of palettes that have deeper colors, but this is the darkest shade you have in the matte, which isn't that dark, but I am going to be taking it anyway. So I'm going to go in with Abu and just popping this on my outer corner. This is actually quite dark in contrast to the other one, so that's pretty good. So now I'm just going to take some concealer and I'm going to cut the crease. Oh, what is wrong with this? Wow. My concealer like sits right in front of my window, and it melted a bit because it's like a stick formula. But might work better now. So I'm not cutting the full crease out. I'm just going to cut to about here. I'm actually using a ColourPop brush. Actually, all these, bar the first one, were ColourPop brushes, fun fact. Okay, so now because I love Ariel and I just associate it with a lot of purple because of her bra, I'm going to take Poison Apple, which is this stunning purple shade right here, and I'm going to pop that right over where we just put all the concealer. Oh, that's so pigmented, wow. Okay, so since that there aren't any deep like matte colors, I am gonna go in with, I'm gonna go in with Beast, which is like a kind of eggplant color, or aubergine if you're from another part of the world. And I'm gonna pop that on my outer corner here. That makes like a really nice deep color. I'm gonna go back in and blend that, don't worry. I'm gonna take this brush that we used for the second transition shade and I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit. Then I'm just gonna run a little bit under my little lash line here. Then I'm just taking some liquid eyeliner. This is from Essence. And just put some of that on. Then I'm just gonna finish off this look with some mascara. And that is it for this look. So that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I think this palette is just stunning. I actually really love the purple. I don't normally wear purple eyes. I'm more of a pink neutral kind of person, but I think this looks so stunning and I actually might recreate this like for a night out or something. I think it just looks so cute, and if you have blue eyes like me, it will just enhance those colors because it is just jewel toned and cute. But I think it just is a really stunning color. All the colors were really pigmented and really nice to blend out and work with. So if you are hesitant on whether to purchase this or not, I hope I have persuaded you, because I think this is really stunning, and I think it is just a bit of a collector's thing anyway because it's just so freaking cute. So I really love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you want to see another one with the Ooh La La palette, because I think this one's adorable. But yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!